A massive Polygon whale has made a bizarre move, XRP pumps after huge news from the court, and is it time to buy Solana? This is your Altcoin Buzz news. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when I drop the latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. We've just shared our latest crypto holdings in Altcoin Buzz Alpha, and it includes some new gems and DCA opportunities. We've done very well in September and just had a great flip for 26% profit in just 7 days. Don't miss out, check out Altcoin Buzz Alpha with the link below. Bitcoin breeds a wave of cautious optimism among traders following the breach above $28,000 as supply on exchanges hit a 6-year low amid high whale activity. Sentiment highlighted this trend in its latest monthly report, pointing out several metrics compounding the renewed optimism. The report confirmed that as Bitcoin surged past $28,000, traders held their breath, waiting to see if the momentum would persist. Bitcoin has experienced numerous similar breakouts over the past years, often followed by a mild correction. However, at this time, the optimism was palpable amid Bitcoin's 6.5% one-month increase. Moreover, fueling this optimism were the substantial whale transactions, each worth over $100 million, witnessed in the final days of September. These whale movements, combined with the dwindling supply of Bitcoin on exchanges, painted a promising picture. Most large token transactions were contributing to the growing trend of self-custody, a development welcomed by crypto enthusiasts. Citing this data, Sentiment noted that it was not surprising that October began with a 6-week high. Per the report, the key to Bitcoin's recent upsurge seemed to be the accumulation of 3 prominent Bitcoin whale and shark tiers, specifically wallets holding 10 to 100 Bitcoin, 100 to 1,000 Bitcoin, and 1,000 to 10,000 Bitcoin. This accumulation commenced at the beginning of September. The bullish behavior of these whales and sharks, coupled with Bitcoin's supply on exchanges hitting its lowest point since December 2017, instilled further confidence in the market's upward trajectory. In addition, Sentiment called attention to Bitcoin short trades, which have been prevalent since mid-August. Notably, these shorts appear to have halted after the first spike to $28,000 on October 1st. However, the possibility of shorts resurfacing, especially if Bitcoin plummets below $27,000, is not to be ruled out. This potential resurgence of shorts could add volatility to the market. Interestingly, October has become the trending keyword on crypto social platforms, reflecting optimism for October's impact on prices. While a positive sentiment is generally welcomed, Sentiment noted the absence of more cautious expectations. Despite the prevailing optimism, caution is advised. The next Bitcoin halving is 6 months away, and a careful watch on the Federal Reserve's interest rate decisions is essential. Also, make sure to check out Randy's TA video on our Altcoin Buzz trading channel, as he'll be covering Bitcoin and alts that have recently pumped. Link down below. XRP bulls had a reason to cheer as the payments firm Ripple was granted a license to offer key services in Singapore, and the Securities and Exchange Commission lost a bid to appeal in the Ripple case. Prices rose 5.5% before retreating in Asian afternoon hours on Wednesday, with trading volume spiking to $1.7 billion from Tuesday's $900 million. At the time of writing, XRP was trading at 53 cents. District Judge Annalisa Torres said in a brief ruling on Tuesday that the SEC had failed to meet its burden under the law to show that there were controlling questions of law or that there are substantial grounds for differences of opinion. Korean exchange Upbit, which apparently attracts massive speculative XRP trading, led volumes in the past 24 hours, with some $280 million traded on the platform. Crypto exchange Binance saw $271 million in the same period, and XRP accounted for more than 12% of all trading activity on both exchanges. Bill Hughes on X shared the Ripple document saying SEC served another L in the Ripple case. They can't appeal the decision until after trial on remaining issues, adding that this is a satisfying statement from the court. The SEC's position in this motion is directly inconsistent with their position about the Howey test, talking out of both sides of their mouth again. Ripple has historically maintained a distance from XRP, the token that powers some of the products in the XRP Ledger network, but any progress in Ripple's court case or licenses clearly has an impact on XRP prices as traders consider the two related. On Wednesday, Ripple's Singapore arm has secured a license as a major payments institution from the Monetary Authority of Singapore, allowing it to keep providing digital payment token services in the fast-growing region. This came as predominantly US-focused crypto companies are scoring wins in the Asian market, mainly due to better policies, more attractive tax rates, and a user base that does not shy away from token usage. We also just posted a video yesterday talking about one altcoin that's up over 21,000% this year, which I'll link down below. Solana has had a bright 2023 with 27 weeks worth of inflows versus merely 4 weeks of sell-offs. The last 7 days were no exception, with institutions pocketing $5 million worth of the asset. This has allowed the altcoin to retain the title of the most loved altcoin this year by institutions. However, what almost did them in completely was the FTX collapse. But is it up only for Solana now? From an all-time high of $259 in November of 2021, Sol nosedived to under $10 in December 2022. Their TVL plummeted by 96%, However, Solana managed to turn things around. In 2023, Solana hardly had any network outages. Only February saw a slight bump in the road, but in previous years, outages were unfortunately the norm. Solana also realized a 42% increase in revenue for the protocol compared to 2023. In particular, the priority fees have contributed to this, so overall we see an increase in value for the chain. Solana also burns 50% of all their transaction fees, thus priority fees add to the increased chain value. If we look at TVL and USD, we see a growth of 41% year to date. However, when we look at TVL and SOL, it declined by 21%. According to DeFi Llama, Solana ranks at number 9 compared to all chains. New projects are surfacing on Solana all the time. Here are some projects to keep an eye out for. Neon EVM, which deploys EVM dApps on the platform without changing the code base. Hyperledger Solang, which instead of the Rust or C code languages, you can now use Solidity on Solana. Eclipse, which is an Ethereum layer 2 that uses Solana execution environment. You can check out our full breakdown on Solana on our website, which I'll link down below. But in conclusion, Solana had a rough time at the end of last year. The FTX crash affected the chain in the wrong way. However, this year the chain managed to turn things around and the future looks a lot brighter again for Solana. Like I said in my video a few days ago, I don't think that this is the exact time to buy a Solana with the overhanging supply, but when it does get dumped, it could be a great entry for the long term. According to Santiment, the largest Polygon transaction since July 2023 happened yesterday. Their post on X indicated that a whale moved about 37 million Matic tokens from a proof-of-stake wallet to a 3-year-old wallet. The transferred tokens were estimated to be worth 20.7 million. Santiment also suggested that the whale's huge transfer could have been behind Matic's intraday 4-day price rise yesterday, while the rest of the cryptocurrency market faced price decline. However, the daily candle close showed that Matic was not spared from yesterday's slump. Matic still managed to gain over 9% in value over the course of the past week. Additionally, the 24-hour trading volume for Matic saw an increase of more than 18%. And also, Medicaid, the world's first community-led gaming platform, has confirmed a collaboration with Polygon Labs focused on driving user acquisition, testing, and the adoption of hundreds of new games and customers on the Polygon protocols. The move opens up the brand to a significant global audience of gamers on the biggest gaming blockchain to add to the already vibrant community of gaming enthusiasts on Medicaid. We also just posted a video on a crypto bull market gem, which I recommend checking out, link down below. That's it for Altcoin Buzz News Update. I'm your host, Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.